Hunga Volcano Eruption on January 15, 2022, the Hunga Ha'apai volcano in the nation of Tonga produced its most powerful eruption ever recorded. As the volcano exploded with a force equivalent to the detonation of 6 million tons of TNT, a sustained eruption column was sent high into the atmosphere. Soon, small fragments of rock termed lapilli rained down across sections of the nation of Tonga, including Tongatapu. Meanwhile, the explosion generated a tsunami wave which would go on to cause destruction across the Pacific Ocean. While individual tsunami waves lasted for as long as 30 minutes, by the time the first wave hit, the explosive eruption had already ended. Originally, scientists had thought that the distinct eruption had lasted for around a 10-minute eruption, 55 minutes. In reality, the eruption lasted around 10 minutes, during which the volcano ejected 0.5 cubic kilometers of rock. This is very strange, as eruptions with sustained columns, termed plinian eruptions, typically last on the timeframe of many hours. As an example, the largest eruption of the 20th century, the Novarupta eruption of 1912 in Alaska, lasted for 60 hours. Therefore, what was witnessed at Hunga Tonga Ha'apai marked the shortest duration plinian eruption ever recorded. An interesting fact is that if you take into account the rate of ejected material per hour, and compare it to other recent large-volume eruptions, the Hunga Tonga eruption would be the most energetic since the 1883 eruption of Krakatoa. As so much material was ejected in a short time frame, it explains why the eruption plume was unusually tall despite the eruption's small size. 55 kilometers eruption plume. Speaking of the eruption plume, recent data suggests that the top of the mushroom cloud reached around 35 kilometers in height.